Hello students, welcome to EPG Pathshala. I am Dr. Sandeep Walia, Head of the Department, University Institute of Tourism and Hospitality Management, Chandigarh University. Today we are going to discuss the module CRS, Amadeus, Introduction, Importance and Basic Command Applicable under the paper Aviation Industry, Ticketing and Frontier Formalities. After completing this module, the students will be able to understand what Amadeus is. They'll also come to know to handle Amadeus as a global distribution system. They'll know how to make bookings in Amadeus. Students, one of the world's leading global distribution system, or sometimes also called as computerized reservation system, is Amadeus. Global distribution system is a tool which is widely used by the travel trade partners, especially travel agents, to conceptualize bookings for airlines, railways, insurance, accommodation, car rentals, cruise sailings, etc. It provides comprehensive services of price, availability and reservation, that too online. Amadeus is owned by Amadeus IT Group and is headquartered in Madrid, Spain. There are two core business areas of Amadeus, the global distribution system business and one branch for providing solutions for information technology solutions. As a part of information technology solutions, it provides departure control systems to many airlines across the world. Amadeus enjoys membership with International Air Transport Association, online travel agencies and CITA, and as an acronym used as 1A. Let us first discuss about the history of the Amadeus. It was the year 1987, the efforts of Air France, Iberia Lufthansa and SAS to provide a technology bridge between vendors and travel agencies that Amadeus was born. It was born as an option of Sabre, which was American, and Amadeus was trying to prove English in this domain too. Amadeus, in its inception, focused on airline reservations and bookings. The core area was PNR, or the passenger name record. Slowly, Amadeus expanded its horizons to other vendors like railways, accommodation, car hire, water transports, etc. Initially a private partnership company, in the year 1999 saw the company listed on Madrid, Frankfurt and Paris stock markets. Slowly and steadily it shifted from core reservation to facilitating other aspects of travel which technology could facilitate, like departure control systems. Great achievement came in the millennium with an ISO 9001-2000, the only global distribution system to achieve a feat till then. Let us discuss about Amadeus IT Group, the mother company of Amadeus. Amadeus Information Technology Group is the mother company of Amadeus. The business formulae that it works on are known as transaction based or booking fee based. This is to emphasize that for every booking that is made and is confirmed in nature on Amadeus, the vendor does a payment to Amadeus, which Amadeus shares with the travel agents. The 90s saw the diversification in the e-commerce business. Amadeus Information Technology Group helped Amadeus to position itself in operational applications for reputed airlines like Qantas and British Airways. This was daring for Amadeus, and lot of support was sought from the airlines. The year 2015 witnessed the diversification of the company into providing taxi and transfer solution provider by the name Blacklane. Let us discuss about Amadeus India Private Limited, Bird Group. Amadeus India Private Limited is the company's name in India and is handled in India by the Bird Group, a force to reckon with its IT travel businesses. Amadeus India, like its mother concern, had its eyes set on information technology travel solutions, software tools for travel business and automated tools for travel agents, consolidators, and even back end for portals. Amadeus head office is in New Delhi with the support of 40 more offices at the national level. Let us now discuss about the various advantages of being an Amadeus partner. Students, the merging of travel metrics gives Amadeus an upper edge. Amadeus bookings involving Altéa have the topmost level of access and everything happening in real time. Even if onward legs are booked on separate carriers, yet they would be displayed, hence rearrangement becomes very easy. The PNR is common between Altéa, Amadeus and airlines, so no duality of PNR or command. Not only STD, STAs but also even ETD, ETA and ATA are also displayed. It reduces ADM as the engine is same for airlines and Altéa. So no difference in taxes and fares. No more wait for meals, seat request through SSR or even before saving as soon as the agent enters the request, acceptance or rejection is displayed. FF or mileage membership data is also sorted, which in cases does not matches with the booking is outright rejected and displayed. If a correct FF, no or MM details are entered, all levels of information can be collected about the packs. As the airlines and Amadeus have same PNR, any updates either of the party is shown to all of them and is updated in the PNR. Dear students, let us now discuss about various commands of Amadeus. The first one is sign in or sign on. As many people are working in an agency at a time and tickets are revenue documents, so each agent is assigned his or his personal sign in order to trace the origin of the booking or the ticket and put the responsibility element on. Therefore, it is basically to identify the agent and get an entry to start working on Amadeus platform. JI in capital letters stands for sign on and is the function identifier, and 1234 AA in capital letters stands for travel agency environment, and AS is the sign in ID of the agent. Therefore, it will be depicted as JIPCC ID/AS in capital letters. In case PCC or the personal ID of the agency needs to be also mentioned, then the sign on the entry will be like this: JI1234 AA/AS in capital letters. But this will sign in into one area only. In case one has to sign in into all the areas, then it has to be done like this: JI in capital letters star 1234 AA/AS in capital letters. In the sign in with an asterisk, each sign will provide 5 work areas A, B, C, D, E, F, and each sign in one PNR can be worked upon. The work area in a layman's parlance is the electronic holding area where an agent feeds the information of the customer as per his or her profile and requirement. This information, when put together, is known as PNR or the passenger's name record and is stored for retrieval and future uses. Then the next command is sign off. If the agent is leaving his workplace due to any reason, it is healthy practice to sign out, and especially at the end of the day. The sign off command is JO in capital letters. This will help to sign out from current area, but to sign out completely, the command will be JO star. The third step is encoding or decoding. Maintaining standardization and bringing in uniformity, ITA, the International Air Transport Association, has proved codes to every city, airport, country, airlines, currency and equipments. Through encoding, one can change name to a code, and through decoding, one can convert a code into normal parlance. Then further is the city or the airport encode or decode. The city has a 3-letter codes, example being LON for London, DEL for Delhi, DIXC for Chandigarh, etc. Airport will also ensure have 3-letter code like LHR, LCY, JKF or EWR. A city and airport name may be similar where a single airport exists, like Lucknow LKO is the code for city as well as for the airport. But there are cities where many of the airports exist, like London City Airport. The code is LC by in capital letters. London Heathrow Airport LHR in capital letters, and London Gatwick Airport LJW in capital letters. The function identifier for encoding in Amadeus is do a name, that is DAN in capital letters, the name of the city. Therefore, the output will be like that, DAN Rome in capital letters. The output will be ROM in capital letters. Similarly, for decoding, the function identifier will be DACTYO in capital letters. This means the output will be, city will be Tokyo. Then the next part is country encode and decode. Countries have two-letter country codes given by International Air Transport Association. The function identifier for encoding country is DC in capital letters followed by the country name. Therefore, the output will be like DC India in capital letters for India, and it will result in IN that denotes India in capital letters. Similarly, for decoding the country code is DC in capital letters followed by the country code, which is given by ITA. So, DCUY in capital letters, the output will be Uruguay. The next one is the equipment decode. Equipment's codes can also be decoded. For decoding, the equipment function identifier will be DNE followed by equipment code in capital letters, like DNE in capital letters followed by the number 747. The output will be 747J Boeing 747 passenger jet. The next one or the fourth one is the airlines encode or the airlines decode. International Air Transport Association has designated coding to airlines, and they could be alphabetic or alphanumeric codes which are to be two-lettered. The function identifier for encoding is DNA in capital letters followed by the airline's name. Therefore, DNA Thai Airways in capital letters, the output will be automatically TGTHA 217 THAI Airways International Public Corporation Limited. This command gives both the alphabetic and the alphanumeric codes. Similarly, for decoding the alphabetic or alphanumeric code function identifier will be DNA AF in capital letters. The output will be AFR 057 Air France. Then the next one is encoding or decoding a state. Many countries have been divided into regions and states. The command DNS state followed by name will encode the state. Therefore, DNS Florida. The output will yield in following information. It will be USFL in capital letters. There will be US space FL. In case we need to decode the state, then the input is like DNS followed by country code and the state code. So it will be like DNS space US space CA in capital letters, and the output of this will be yield from the following information, that is United States of America, California. Then the next one is schedule. Timetable is called as schedule and is also used to know the frequency of flights from a city to the another city. Schedule may be general for all the airlines or carriers or for particular airlines. The function identifier is SN in capital letters. The entry for a neutral entry will be SN followed by city of origin to the city of destination. So if it is SNDELLON in capital letters, that means it will give schedule for Delhi-London flights. One can condition the command with date and particular airlines also. If it is SN date sector oblique airline code, so it will be SN 15 December CCU PBH oblique AKI. The date is 15th of December, the sector is CCU to PBH, and the schedule will only be the KB Airlines. Then the sixth one is the availability command. To check a neutral availability, this means without the conditions of airlines, the command will be AN space date followed by the sector in capital letters. For example, AN 10th December DELLON. That means IN in case the availability has to be checked for the airlines. The command will be AN 10 December DELLON/ASQ. In this case, it will give availability for Singapore Airlines only, which are flying from Delhi to London. By adding commas, we may add several airlines like AN space 10 space DEC space DELLON/ASQ, TG, AI. We can exclude a specific airlines too, like AN space 10 space DEC space DELLON/A-AI. Once availability has been given, it could be changed too. In case we need to see for a further specific date, the follow-up entry is like AC in capital letters space new in capital letters space date in capital letters. Example, AC space 15th December. To see availability for 5 days ahead, the command will be AC 5. To see for previous days, for example 3 days previous, the command will be like AC/3. To see for specific airlines, the follow-up entry will be like AC in capital letters /ABA. The next one is the booking file creation. Dear students, passenger name record or commonly used as is also called as a booking file. To attempt any sort of reservation, a booking file is mandatory in Amadeus. The short form for the steps for creation of a PNR is inverted commas P space R space I space N space T inverted commas closed. Here print stands for P phone field, R received from field, I itinerary field, N name field, and T stands for the ticketing field. Beside these mandatory fields, optional elements can also be inserted, which can be like address, mileage, membership, or frequent flyer number, passport, seat and meal information. We will be dealing with each one of them one by one. For phone field, the function identifier for phone field is P in capital letters. Minimum of one phone field is mandatory to create a booking file. Post creation of booking file at the airline's end, only the first phone field will be visible. So generally, as a rule, the first phone number is of the travel agent, so that information, if any kind of changes, could be well informed. The layout of phone field has been kept as multi-item. The following code sequence is used to signify the different kinds of telephone entries. T stands for travel agency, H stands for home, B stands for business phone, A stands for accommodation, F stands for email address. The entry as discussed above starts with the function identifier AP space CTC followed by the type of contact codes for which has been listed above. For example, AP in capital letters space CTCH 456444, CTCB 646446, CTCT 4566565. This shows the number of home, business and of travel agency. The second one is the reference field. For an executive who deals with ticket on day-to-day business, it is difficult for him to remember who called up and gave instructions, as very often the corporate there are many points of contacts. To avoid this, the reference field is a command which helps to identify the person who gave a call or visited the agent to book or to do the modifications. Not only for a new booking file creation, but every time a modification is done to the booking file also. This information is restricted to the agency and is not transferred to any of the airlines. It also allows usage of 65 characters. Even if the passenger himself calls up, then also his reference has to be mentioned. The function identifier is RF in capital letters. For example, George called up from impromptu services to get the booking done. The entry will be like this: RF space George in capital letters. In case the passenger himself or herself calls up, then the entry would be like this: RF space PAX in capital letters. The third one is the itinerary. The sequence of travel of a client is known as itinerary. It is the journey for which the passenger is booked. it is not necessary that all segments or legs of journey be by air. It may have minimum of one air leg. There are two ways to make an itinerary. It could be after an itinerary display known as reference cells, or it could be a long cell. Let us discuss reference cell first. Once the availability has been displayed by any of the availability commands discussed above, the celling is done by the function identifier SS in capital letters. The command will be SS in capital letters followed by the number of seats required, the class and the landline number. So SS2Y1 will sell 2 seats in Y class from the line number 1 of the display. If it is SS2Y1Y2, it will sell 2 seats in Y class from line number 1 and line number 2 respectively. If it is SS1Y1C2F3, will sell 1 seat in Y class from line number 1, 1 seat from line number 2 and 1 seat in F class from the line number 3. Then the second one is the long cell. This is done in a case where the flight number or date and class everything is pre-decided and we do not need an availability command. The function identifier is SS in capital letters. Then the command format is like SS followed by flight number, class date, sector number of the seats. For example, a passenger needs 2 seats on a British Airways flight number 142 dated 15 June from Delhi to Heathrow Airport in London. The command would be applicable as SS space BA space 142Y 15 June DEL LHR2. The next one is the name field. This is one field which should never be changed as the vendor cancels the PNR. It can have surnames, titles, first names or the initials. The advice is to write name as mentioned in the identity document. The titles used can be Mr., Mrs., Miss or Mistress. The function identifier for name is NM in capital letters. Name of a child can be written as CHD in capital letters. The next one is the ticketing arrangement. The function identifier for ticketing is TK in capital letters. If ticketing is order and everything is okay, the entry will be like TK OK in capital letters. There will be no space in between them. If ticketing is on a time limit date, then the command will be like TK TL 05 OCT or October in capital letters. And if a ticketing is on a time limit date and the time, then the command will be like this TK TL in capital letters 05 October /1200. One can even give a passenger specific TK element. Then the next is the ending or saving the PNR. Without saving or ending the transactions done will be a futile exercise. The end transaction will save the data entered in the PNR. As soon as end is done, the Amadeus PNR comes immediately, followed by the vendor locator, that is airlines PNR. The function identifier is ER or ET in capital letters. ET will end the booking and save it. The booking gets ignored and the environment is ready for the new booking file to be created. But if one has to redisplay to see the bookings, then the command has to be ER in capital letters, which means end and the retrieve of the booking. The next one is the retrieval of PNR. Retrieval of PNR can be done in multiple ways. The easiest way is when the PNR is known. The function identifier is RT in capital letters. So if the PNR is QVH1A5, then the command will be RT QVH1A5. In case the surname is used to retrieve the PNR, then the command will be like this RT/SINGH. If the surname and the initials both are known, then the command which will be used to retrieve the PNR will be like RT/SHINK/J. And in case only active PNRs have to be retrieved, then the commands which are applicable in the Amadeus is like RT/SHINK/J*A. Once the retrieval is done through a surname and the list of displayed and we have to retrieve the PNR at line number 4 of the list, then the command which we use to retrieve is RT4. If by opening the PNR in the list one realizes that this is not the correct PNR and one needs to go back to the list, then the command which we are going to use in such a cases will be RTO. If flight number is known, then also retrieval can be done. Dear students, let us now summarize what we have discussed in this present module. The products and solutions of Amadeus have assisted in business of travel agencies, ferries, cruises, train, car hire, accommodation units, airports, airways, etc. Innovation is the key word at Amadeus. It is spread across 190 markets with a human force of 14,000 people around the globe. Some of the world's top companies like Lufthansa, British Airways, IBM, Siemens, Finnair, TUI, Carlsons, Wagonlit, Amex have made Amadeus as its technology arm. It has created a record of largest distribution of tourism packages. It is the largest electronic ticketing platform with 175 markets and 43 airlines around the globe. Besides travel, it provides its expertise to Nordea Bank, Nokia Solutions and Networks, Philip Morris International, etc. Approximately to 11,000 such corporations. Even the low-frill carriers which were shying away from the global distribution systems, Amadeus has been successfully in bringing 80 of them on its platform. It is often thought that the commands need to be memorized for working on Amadeus. This seems to be a myth with the arrival of graphical user interface, and before that too help command was a dictionary to the Amadeus. If one has to know about the common tasks stepwise in Amadeus, the command HE followed by steps in capital letters can sort out any problem for the user. Even if it is as complex as reissuance or it is as easy as knowing the meal codes by the command HE meal codes in capital letters. With Amadeus.net getting popular, Amadeus has a long way to go. With these words, I would like to sum up the module. Thank you.